Our question today is difficulty in finding suitable storage solutions for large rolls of vinyl and other bulky crafting materials. This is the Creative Crafters Podcast. Hi, I'm Bette from Bette's Makes, and this is your questions answered. Now, storage solutions always create a problem no matter what you do. So, for vinyl, I see a lot of crafters have the IKEA storage shelves pinned to the top of their wall. I've seen them on the floor and they put their crafting materials in that way. The only problem with that is you can't see exactly what's there unless you really label it. My solution for storage of the bulky rolls is to get a large see-through plastic tub, and my plastic tubs are about 18 inches tall, and they are enough to wide actually to fit a roll of the vinyl, and they're a little bit wider, so that works well, and is how much you want the other part to go, and that's the other part of the width is, how many do you want to fit in there. What I generally do is I have a tub for permanent vinyl, I have a tub for non-permanent vinyl, I have a tub for iron-on, and then of course my other bulkier materials, they each have a tub separated out. Now you may wonder, how many tubs do you end up with? And for me, I have 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, I have 12 tubs in total. But I know on the front of each one what kind of vinyl or product that is inside of each. So I can just stack them aside in a couple of stacks, and then I can see the label. So if I'm working on a project, I just grab it from there. So my solution for those bulky crafting materials is a large plastic tub. And of course you want it to be see-through so that you can get to the materials, and then finally you want to label those. This has been the Creative Crafters Podcast and your questions answered.